let us go to the continue the derivations. So now what is the second we got in the last class, theta equal to equation for theta, and theta at x is equal to L, d theta by dx we got d theta by dx at x is equal to 0, d theta by dx at x is equal to L from equation 7 to 11. Now using the second boundary conditions, what is the second boundary condition? Heat conducted at x is equal to L is equal to heat convected from the tip. So minus k AC dt by dx at x is equal to L equal to AC H T at x is equal to L minus TA. So minus k d theta by dx at x is equal to L is equal to H theta at x is equal to L. Now substituting the value of d theta by dx at x is equal to L and theta at x is equal to L will get from equation 8 and 11. From equation 8 and 11 will get d theta by dx at x is equal to L and H theta at x is equal to L. Substituting these values here from equation 8 and 11, we will get the value of simplifying, we will get the value of C2. C2 equal to minus theta 0 H cos HML plus MK sin HML divided by MK cos HML plus H sin HML, equation number 12. So putting the value of C1 this C2 value of C2 in equation number 7 here, we will get the equation for the temperature distribution along the length of the fin. Theta equal to theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 H cos HML plus MK sin HML divided by MK cos HML plus H sin HML sin HMX. So this gives the temperature distribution along the length of the fin. So by putting the value of x, any value of x between 0 and L, we will get the temperature at any section of the fin. Now we are interested to find out the rate of heat flow. Rate of heat flow Q equal to minus k AC d theta by dx at any section. It is minus k AC d theta by dx at x is equal to 0. So you will get is equal to minus k AC d theta by dx at x is equal to 0 is C2 into M. C2 into M. So substitute the value of C2 from equation 12. Here, so we will get Q equal to k AC M theta 0 H cos HML plus MK sin HML divided by MK cos HML plus H sin HML. So this is the equation for the temperature heat transfer with film. The value M is known as a fin parameter. Value of M is given by M is equal to root pH by KC. For a rectangular fin it is root pH by KC equal to H into 2W plus 4 delta divided by KW. AC for a rectangular fin is W into 2 delta. So it gives root H by K delta. And value for M for circular rod is M equal to root pH by KC. For a circular rod, P is pi d. AC is pi by 4 d square. So it gives root 4H by KD. Root 4H by KD for a this thing. So no. This is this becomes equation this equation 14 gives the heat loss with fin. It is bit elaborate, so we can make certain practical assumptions, simplifications we can make. So first, what is that? First case 1, end of the fin is insulated. End of the fin is insulated. So we will go to the figure here. End of the fin is insulated. It means that at the tip it is insulated. That means Q equal to 0. Q at x is equal to L is 0. What is the significance of this term? What is the implication or meaning of this term is, suppose I will tell you, suppose heat is we know that heat is conducted here Qx, heat going out entering into the strip is Qx, heat convected from the strip is Qc, heat going out from the strip is Qx plus delta x. Qx minus Qc equal to Qx plus delta x. Qx minus Qc equal to Qx plus delta x. Definitely Qx plus delta x is less than less than Qx, less than Qx. Similarly, for the another section, if you take small section adjacent to this strip, Qx plus delta will enter this strip, another strip here, say it is another strip here, then heat entering this adjacent strip is Qx plus delta x, heat leaving this adjacent strip will be less than Qx plus delta x. In so on, heat always heat going entering to the strips, as we go away from the base, heat going to the later stages of the fin will be less, so that at the end we can assume that heat convected, heat going out from the strip at the tip of the fin will be 0, will be 0. This is the meaning of that. So Q at x is equal to L equal to 0 is the at the end of the fin is insulated. So then yes, anyhow this anyhow Q equal to, what is Q at x is equal to L? X is equal to L minus KAC d theta by dx at x is equal to L equal to 0. Minus KAC d theta by dx at x is equal to L equal to 0. It gives d theta by dx at x is equal to L equal to 0. D theta by dx at x is equal to L equal to 0. So what is d theta by dx? We will get from at d theta by dx at x is equal to L from equation 11. From equation 11. So some equation 11 is here. I will show you again 11. Equation 11 gives d theta by dx at x is equal to L. So equation 11. So equation 11 equating 11 to 0. Equating 11 to 0 will get C2 equal to minus theta 0 tan HML. Minus C2 equal to minus theta 0 tan HML. So already C1 value is same, because the initial boundary condition number 1 is, what is boundary condition number 1? At x is equal to 0, t equal to t0, theta equal to theta 0. Theta equal to theta 0. That boundary condition is the same. Substituting the value of C2 equal to minus theta 0 tan HML. C2 equal to minus theta 0 tan HML. In equation 7, we will get theta equal to theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 tan HML sin HMX. Theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 tan HML sin HMX. Theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 sin HML divided by cos HML into sin HMX. It will give theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 sin HML sin HMX divided by divided by cos HML. You will get theta by theta 0 equal to cos HML minus x divided by cos HML. Theta by theta 0 equal to cos HML L minus x divided by cos HML. So this is the temperature distribution along the fin, which whose tip is insulated. So we are interested to find out the rate of heat flow. We are interested to find out the rate of heat flow. What is rate of heat flow? Q equal to minus KAC d theta by dx at x equal to 0. Q equal to minus KAC d theta by dx at x equal to 0. What is d theta by dx at x equal to 0? D theta by dx at x equal to 0 is C2m. So substituting the value of C2 as minus theta 0 tan HML, we will get Q equal to KAC m theta 0 tan HML. Q equal to KAC m theta 0 tan HML. So substituting the value of m equal to root pH by KAC, you will get Q equal to root pH KAC theta 0 tan HML. Or this is the equation 17 and 18. 17 and 18 gives the equation for the heat transfer through the fin whose tip is insulated. Now another equation, another assumption here. So here see, if the fin is sufficiently long, L tends to infinity, then so if L tends to infinity, what happens is, so if L tends to infinity, if L is very long, very long, then what happens? At the tip, it approaches the atmospheric temperature. Temperature at the tip becomes equal to atmospheric temperature. If the fin is very long, then theta at x is equal to L. Theta at the tip, theta temperature difference at the tip becomes 0. Becomes 0. Using these boundary conditions, here, second boundary condition here, so theta at x is equal to L equal to 0. So at x equal to theta at x equal to L equal to 0. So what is theta at x is equal to L? From equation number, just to go to there, equation number it is 8. Equation 8 gives theta at x is equal to L. I told you, 7 to 11 gives from this 8 11, equation 8 gives theta at x is equal to L. So theta 0 cos HML plus C2 sin HML equal to 0, which gives C2 equal to minus theta 0 cot HML. C2 equal to minus theta 0 cot HML. Substituting the value of C2 in the equation for temperature distribution, you will get theta equal to theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 cot HML sin HMX. Theta equal to theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 cot HML sin HMX. If L tends to infinity, cot HML equal to 1. L tends to infinity, cot HML equal to 1. You will get theta equal to theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 sin HMX. Theta equal to theta 0 cos HMX minus theta 0 sin HMX. So then theta by theta 0 equal to e raised to minus mx. This is nothing but e raised to minus mx. So theta by theta 0 equal to e raised to minus mx equal to cos HMX minus sin HMX. This is the temperature distribution along a fin which is infinitely long, which is very long or infinitely long. Again same thing, we are interested to find out the rate of heat flow. What is rate of heat flow? Q equal to minus KAC d theta by dx at x is equal to 0. So d theta by dx at x is equal to 0 is C2m. Substituting the value of C2 equal to minus theta 0 cot HML. We got the value of C2 here as minus theta 0 cot HML. We will get KAC m theta 0. KAC m theta 0 cot HML. KAC m theta 0 cot HML. Cot HML is equal to 1. As cot HML equal to 1, for L equal to infinity, we will get KQ equal to root pH KAC theta naught. Q equal to root pH KAC theta naught. So this is the equation for the heat transfer through a fin which is infinitely long. Thus we have found out this for the temperature distribution along the length of the fin for insulated tip and for the infinitely long rod, temperature distribution and heat transfer equations. Thank you.